Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
The research results show that common noctules suffer in two ways from wind turbines in forests. If the wind turbines are built near roosts, noctules face an increasing risk of colliding with the turbines, and they lose foraging habitat because they avoid wind turbines far from roosts. In their paper, the team concludes that wind power development in forests must be avoided or, if there is no alternative, should be undertaken with great care and caution. The wind turbine should be placed at least at a distance of 500 meters away from bat roosting sites, and loss of foraging habitat should be compensated for by taking forests out of use for wind power or other anthropogenic activities elsewhere. Wind energy production is an important pillar for the energy transition to renewable energies in Germany and makes a significant contribution to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Approximately 8% of wind turbines in Germany have already been built in forests. This number is expected to significantly increase in the coming years as suitable sites in open landscapes become increasingly scarce. A large number of bat species occur in forests because there are many tree roosts and suitable foraging habitats with a high abundance of insects, their prey, says Christian Voigt, head of the Department of Evolutionary Ecology at the Leibniz IZW. These include species such as the common noctule, which is the most common victim among the bat species of wind turbines in Germany. According to the German Federal Agency for Nature Conservation, BfN, common noctule populations are declining throughout Germany. It is therefore a matter of urgency to take a closer look at the interaction of bats with wind turbines in forests. Voigt and his colleagues investigated the space use behavior of common noctules using miniaturized GPS loggers. These loggers recorded the flight paths of 60 bats with a high temporal and spatial resolution over 1 to 2 nights before the loggers automatically came off each animal. We found that the common noctules were particularly likely to approach wind turbines if the latter were located close to bat roosts, explains Voigt. As highly social mammals, the bats use exposed structures as meeting spots. This could be the reason why they often approach wind turbines, which rise well above the canopy, if turbines are located near roosts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.